it's Ken again. I'm going to show you now the hotel paging that we're offering at the NRA show. It's a new product for us. It's called NetPage Unlimited. NetPage Unlimited is a web-based staff paging, guest paging. It's basically an all-round hotel and country club paging solution. The hotel applications, as you can see by the sign here, NetPage can be used for guest check-in, poolside and beach service, staff messaging, room service, housekeeping, and conference rooms. Because it's web-based, this means that only one application is running in your hotel or your country club on one PC. All the other PCs on the network just have to pull up a website and they'll see a screen like this where they log into. As you can see by the screen, if you can see closely, there's a paging of staff, your guests. We can set up alarms in here. We can have wait lists. Right now, just to explain how simple the system is, I can put in, on a typical screen, I have a list here of my employees. I can show them all. And I can just click on an employee's name and type in any message I would like and hit the send button. It's that simple. And what happens is, if you can see the pager, they'll get a message not only showing who sent or what the message is, but who sent the message. So NetPage is versatile that it ties to our staff pagers, but it will also tie, if you're off-premise or you're not logged in, it will also call or text your cell phone. So if a staff member happens to be not checked in or out for lunch, the system will know that and alert them via text message on their cell phone. Likewise, we also have another product, or another side of NetPage, for guest paging. And if we wanted to page guests, it's as simple as doing this button here called Handout, putting a name like myself on here, and I can either use a pager from LRS or put in my cell phone number and hit Handout. As you can see, my name now shows up on the waiting list here. For NetPage, there's also other things we can use for the enhanced wait list, for the guest experience. Are they waiting to check in? Are they waiting for some service? You can also, during the time of putting them on the list, you can ask them different functions or different, exactly what they're waiting for. So when it's on there, it's easier to identify that particular person and page them. So let's try paging me, for example, right now. It's as easy as clicking on my name. I can type in here any message I'd like to send to the guest and hitting send. Now what will happen, you can see the text message is received and it says please return to the waiting area. So it's very simple, and guests now don't need to use the pager if you don't want to, or if they prefer not to give you their cell phone number, you have the ability to give them pagers as well. So NetPage is versatile. It's becoming more and more accepted, I guess, in the hotel industry as well as in the country club industry too. So that concludes NetPage. Just a general overview. Please go to our website and visit the NetPage, and you'll see the full details for the product. Thanks for visiting LRS.